convertible to take a look at Unique Specialty and Classics. 2002 Chevrolet Camaro Z28 convertible. Navy blue in color, dark gray leather interior. As you can see, take a look at the front. It does have a billet style grille insert. The original grille is in the trunk. Now you also notice we do have some chipping. This car has about 118,000 miles on it. Has been driven. The paint does show its age a little bit, but if you're looking for a fun car, won't break the bank, want to get in and have some fun and drive it, here you go. Underneath the hood, 5.7 liter V8 paired up with an automatic transmission with overdrive, power steering, power brakes, AC. Now if you want to check out the still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And of course you can always call us 507-386-1726. A little bit of a scratch there, writing on the stock. Polished wheels. So it'd have the black cloth convertible top in good shape. It is power top works. We'll run that up here before this video is done. I'll show you that so you can check out the condition. It does have the 3-piece convertible cover. There's also the case for that in the trunk, along with that grille insert. It'll be the 35th anniversary of the Camaro. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Do have some paint rubbed off in the rear bumper area. And you'll be able to see this car from every angle in the still pictures, top up, top down, undersides. But I want to kind of point out, give you an idea. There's some light scratching kind of in the clear. Got wet sanded or maybe heavier buffing compounded, clean some of that up. But like I said, just want to get in and drive it, have some fun, put the top down, enjoy summer. Still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Go ahead and check out this interior. We'll start it up, let you hear it run. Power windows, power locks, mirrors. Over here in the driver's door, do have a driver's power seat, and that is functioning, as you can see. Leather, nice condition. And yes, you have some light wear just as far as kind of discoloration, but no rips, holes, tears. Holding up pretty well. Steering wheel controls were in working order. Wipers worked. AM, FM cassette with the monsoon stereo was working. AC, it appears all the components there. I did not have it blowing cold, FYI. Let's go ahead and start this up. I'll show you exact miles. Starts easily, runs good. Right here, 118. You can see that 118, 234. That's what it reads. No warning indicators. Check engine lights, anything like that. Just the seatbelt warning up there. And again, there's that monsoon AM, FM CD player, and that is working. There we go. Dash, nice shape. Of course, tried and true power plant in this with a 5.7 liter. We got the Z28s. Dual exhaust. Sounds good. Alright, let me pause this 1 second. Let's pop the hood. We'll check out the engine bay, and then we'll snoop over that top before we wrap up this video. And here's the engine bay. You can see nice and tidy. Clean under here. Has looks like SLP cold air intake added, and if you take a look here, SLP performance parts, that's airflow sensor. They've been upgraded to SLP. These would have had about 310 horse back in 2002. Really no slouch considering it's practically 20 years ago. Alright, so there's the engine bay. Hear that engine run, sounds good. Again, nice and tight and clean. And pause this one last time. I'm going to shut it off, close up that hood, and we'll run up the convertible top to check that out.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
There we go. Got the top up. Again, power top, black cloth. Glass rear window, rear defog granite. And again, free of rips, tears, holes. Going to serve the purpose, keeping you dry or out of the sun, whichever it may be. One real little small wear spot there, but boy, nothing too bad. Fits nice and snug above the windshield. There you go. 2002 Chevrolet Camaro Z28 clean Carfax, ready to go. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call us right now.